Our package has arrived. We got a tripod. Today I'm gonna unbox it, show it to you, and hopefully make a video this weekend of me and putting in my motor to my race car. As soon as you open it, you get this little, I guess it's a carrying case or something, or a bag. It's called Tack Life. So. And then it comes with this phone adapter thing. I'm gonna put it on real quick. And then the main thing, tripod. It's supposed to be 52 inches, I think. Pretty cool. Let's see. It extends all the way out to there, and then these lock it back in place. Yeah, I'm gonna get this thing set up, try and get you all put on here, and then we can finish off this video. Alright, I got this thing set up, and then this piece right there, it's like an adapter thing for it. It still ain't came in yet, so I'm waiting on that. Should be here tomorrow, but I'm trying to make it work with this thing. It's the phone one. See if this will work. Just gonna set it on right there. Maybe I gotta tilt it back. There we go. Now I'm gonna set this up and then see how good this thing does. My GoPro fell. Alright, I'm gonna get this thing back down. There we go. My GoPro fell. Alright, maybe if it won't fall off. Maybe not, probably will, but alright, there we go. I'm gonna need to angle this down just a little bit. Alright, there we go. Alright, yeah, we're good. Okay. Now, it has this little thing with it. It's like a carrying bag or something. But yeah, now, maybe I ain't gotta find a tree to set it up on. Now every time I'm out in the woods, I can just get it, stick it up there, record me. Bam. Anyways, my motor is finally done for my race car. We're gonna put it in, and then, like I said, a few videos back, like 2 or something, I don't know, but I have this little roll cage GoPro mount. I'm gonna hook it up there, record my races, post them up on here, and supposed to be trading my 4-wheeler off this weekend. I don't know how it'll go, but yeah, expect those type of videos. I did record a video yesterday, but kind of got ruined. I got off my dirt bike and put the kickstand on. Put the kickstand on the ground, I guess where it was so muddy or something, it just fell over and broke my clutch lever again. But anyways, I ordered me a new set. Should be here Friday, I think. And then we could be doing one last video with it. We might not, I don't know though. And yeah, if I do end up trading my dirt bike off, expect some 4-wheeler mud riding videos or something. And yeah, then this weekend we should be putting in my motor. I don't know, but just depends on if the valve covers gets here or not. And yeah, I know this ain't been a long video, but I'm gonna try and find stuff to make it longer. But I'm gonna show you guys what I ordered to put onto the tripod to make it fit my GoPro, or be able to, yeah, you know what I mean. Ordered it off Walmart.com with these gift cards that I got. That's what I ordered for it. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it like screws onto the tripod, and then my GoPro, it'll fit on there. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I know it wasn't a long video, and I know it ain't the best video, but I just wanted to do an unboxing on this, and hopefully expect better videos. But anyways, if you like this, make sure to like and subscribe, and then I'll catch you guys on the next one.